What is up, family? Let's see if this works. Let's see. I got a place where I had my hat on today at the gym. Maybe it's too tight. Let's see here. Just realized I'm slouching doing that. Live on the stream. All right, let's see if I'm live or not. There we are. How is everybody doing? Oh my gosh. All right, let me go ahead and grab this. Let me know if my mic sounds all right. There you are, Smoke Eater. What's up, Papalando? What's up, Dion Frat? What's up? Hey, Dion, I saw that you completed that. Let me get you unlocked there, buddy. Let's see here. Good job, man. All right, I'm unlocking it right now. Prop firm protocol. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. By the way, Apex looks like it might be amazing. So I'm going to be trading an Apex account this week. You please use code Solomon. But guys, it's looking really, really good. What's up, the Lara boys? How you doing? Ryan Dreampunk, what's up? How you doing, buddy? What's going on? I am waiting for TradingView to finish approving me, and then I'll have full-blown backtesting inside of Jericho IQ, which is going to be freaking awesome. I'm going to make it way better than anything else out there. And then there's going to be leaderboards and stuff for you backtesting. It's going to be pretty cool. I think, maybe. Maybe it's all in my head. I don't know. But people are starting to use it a lot, and it's going really well. So I'm pretty excited about that. Let's see here. Let me broadcast, buddy. I'm going to be trading a brand new 150K end of day. Unless I'm tripping, but it looks like Apex is freaking good. Supposedly the rules are pretty much all gone, like the 5-to-1, all these things. There's no denials, supposedly, so we'll see. Please use code Solomon. I am going to go crazy and try to max these out on 20 of them, just see what happens. They're having a huge sale right now, obviously. 85% off, and I don't push. What's up, Smitty? Smitty, good to see you, buddy. I don't like how you have to get the eval pass in 30 days now. You can reset it. You can't reset it. I don't know. I'm just going to be honest with you. No eval should take 30 days to pass at all. Like, zero. Like, dude, honestly, there should be no reason to be having an eval to pass in 30 days. Eval should be passed in like a week max, maybe a week and a half. I mean, it's not that hard to get that up there, in my opinion. All right, let's see here. So, and then I do like the fact that they cancel all rebills. That's kind of cool too. Let me go ahead and I'm going to do a video on YouTube about it later. Put a little presentation together. I'm going to talk about it, what I think on it. All right. I'm on Solomon Trading. Do I need anything else? I don't know what you mean by that, bud. For the case for me, I've been working on one evals for 4 months. Well, you're the same person. I think Smoke Eater is the one that just signed up for 101, right? Am I guessing? You're probably most definitely going to be able to pass it a lot faster, dude. No, I'm gonna be honest, bro. Like, there should be a zero reason to. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna tell you straight up. There should be no way that you're not passing a challenge within like a week or two. max, like period. You're just going way too slow at that rate. Most things I'm trading, or most prop firms I trade, within 5 days. That's not a blow at you. I'm just saying, like, most people are too like fragile with them, like it's really $50,000. You know? Wow. You've been working on one of your eval. Yeah. So that's just gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be fun. All right, that's all I'm gonna say. That's gonna be fun. I'm trying to get this freaking Apex account real quick. 1 second. Five. Expiration 2031. What the crap? Are we really at 2031 expiration dates now? $11.30. I'm just letting people get in here. Good afternoon, Chelsea McCoy. How you doing? Hopefully doing fantastic. Let's see. What do you mean invalid? Invalid. Let's see. Hold on. 11. See, even Apex doesn't believe that it's that far out. That's crazy. How much are the activation fees on Apex? I'm pretty excited about this, guys. On 150K, what's the activation fee? Woo! Let's go, Chelsea. Was it pretty nice? Actually, let me check. I'm gonna go into his private folder real quick. Alex McCoy. All right, congratulations. Let's go. I knew he would make it, dude. He's been killing it. Congrats to you guys. I know you have a baby as well, right? All right, so I got my Apex account. Let me log in. I'm pretty sure I freaking just bought the right one. Let me make sure. Yep. Trade of 8, end up trailing drawdown. And then we're gonna look at the rules on it. Like we just had a pretty much, Steve. I just don't try to like force it to, like, I don't expect it to close it out immediately. I used to be like, oh, it's got to go up there. No, it doesn't. It can literally like wait as long as it wants and then come back to it. But it will fill. It's just you don't know when, right? So ultimately, like I was like, even right here, I was trying on Sunday night to fill that. That's a great example. So I lost like 2 trades trying to fill that. And I'm like, oh yeah, that doesn't work that way. So now that we have like a structure break here, strong solid close right here. And now we're up in this 1 hour block, right? So what are we doing? Who wants to know? Who wants to say what I'm going to be doing? You can do whatever you want. We're already getting the reaction that we want. Hold on, let me see here. Dashboard. It's been so long since I traded Apex. Oh my gosh. I've missed it. Honestly, it was great. When I first started trading Apex, I loved it. I loved it to death. Loved it a lot. Let's see. How do I log out of this beast? All right, there we go. I got to do a little bit of damage control on my funded take profit on this one. So I'm only trading that Asian session. Doing small risk and just holding trades. That's like how I roll, right? Boom. Boom. Log in. Proceed. Access. What? Oh my gosh, Smitty, I'm starving. Smitty, I'm starving, bro. All right, let me do this. This is crazy. Activate. Trading view. Let's go. At supply, going down, but the caveat is that the previous day high needs taken above. See, that's the same thing. So it does it maybe, unless they're protecting it. You know what I mean? That's the problem. So that's where like what is it? Confirmation bias, or you can get in trouble that way. Unless that's like your main rule, like if that's what you go for. But you could be sitting here all day and all night, and then finally it goes for it. You know what I mean? So I'm on this apex now. Let's see here. All right, before I continue this apex, let's go to their rules, okay? Let's go check them out. I put together something, but let's just look at it. Look at this. Guys, if you buy this, use code Solomon. Helps me out. Instead of using save now, just use code Solomon, SOLOMON. Helps me out tremendously. But anyways, a new chapter. Welcome to the all new Apex end of day drawdown. Thank you, God. That is what I've been waiting on. That is what I've been waiting on. No payout denials. What? We'll see, huh? No MAE rule. No 5-to-1 risk reward. Remember how I tell you to get out early because of freaking all that crap? You know? Like on a break even? Now you don't have to do that, but I'm still going to do it. It's a good habit. I don't even know what this says, to be honest with you. I'm reading it. Let's see. No MA, 30% negative profit and loss rule. Proprietary trading firms like Apex limits the maximum allowed unrealized loss on any single open trade to 30%. Current trailing drawdown and profit balance. Beautiful. Built-in scaling, 50% consistency. What? Guys. I mean, I'm going to be completely honest with you, David Westbury. Out of all the thousands of people that I've traded, I rarely ever see or taught. I rarely ever see anybody hold Apex accounts for 6 payouts, let alone any account. So that really doesn't bother me either. That's just on one account, right? Per account, if I'm not mistaken. So pretty good. So I just got 150K end of day. So let me look at that real quick just to verify. How do I even freaking get there? This is huge. Huge for our industry, guys. I mean, my gosh. Anytime we get a new end of day, something going on, we're good. All right, so we got 150K end of day trailing. Max drawdown 4,000, that's easy. 9,000 profit target. End of day, 2,000 daily loss limit. Okay, that's a little bit but whatever, we'll deal with it. That's probably good for most people so they don't blow everything. Honestly, David, like I get why they do that. It's really not that big of a deal, I promise you. Because most people never get to even pay out 1, let alone 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, you know what I mean? And that's just part of business. So that doesn't bother me at all. End of day, 2,000. And you know what? I get why they do that. They got to protect their company. And it's just like, okay, prove that you can keep doing it. Prove that you can keep doing it. Prove that, you know, well, I get it. But at least they're not rebilling you anymore. Trading view compatible. Let's see. What's their activation? Like, is there an activation? Okay, that's not even bad. $99. That's not bad. So basically all in will be $160 for 150K if you pass. All right. 7 days from eval activation deadline. You must activate your... Okay, that's good. It used to be like a day or two since signing or something. You may request payout every 5 days. That's good. 5 days. Better. Way better. Max accounts 20. 10 mini, 100 micro. Beautiful. Your account may scale up, contract size balance grow, max drawdown 4,000, end of day, daily loss limit, whether daily loss limit is enforced on your what? Okay. Consistency roll, that's easy consistency, that's beautiful. Yeah, guys. Yeah, dude, I'm excited. Finally, I'm excited about them again. Finally excited about them. I love this. One-time fee, no rebill. They don't sneak on those freaking... How many times have you had like 20 accounts and it rebills you? You're out to eat with your wife or kids, and it's like ding 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 ding. It's like crap. They just basically stole money from me. Eval active for 30 days will expire after 30 days. No resets. Okay. Well, I love it. Personally, I love it because, well, you know why I love it? Because I'm very confident in passing things, right? And it's cheap enough to where it's like it doesn't matter too much, right? All right, so let's look on here. Let's just see if we got something cooking here. I think we do, actually. And then we got to make a plan. What's the plan, Stan? Like, how fast do I want to pass this? I want to see how fast I can get a payout from this company again. Because the last 8 times I tried to get a withdrawal, they denied me. And it was usually that 5-to-1 rule. They just refilled me. Oh, they just refilled. That's freedom. That's awesome, bro. I'm just kidding. Intraday and end of day. Intraday is the live trailing drawdown, Tina. So like, you know, you go up 1,000, you go back down 1,000, you're negative 1,000. Now they don't have that. It's $20 more basically. It's amazing. For Apex, that's freaking awesome. That was one of that. Besides that and all their rules, now they claim there's no failing the payout. Where it was no denials, which that's a big deal. So if I get it below here, let's see, we just had a FEG fill right here. We could essentially enter, but I wish that was a high is the only thing I'm thinking. So I'm going to just take this low here. I'm going to be like kind of a little bit careful because we just approached that high pretty fast. Let me see on the one. Let's see if I can pull something else. Nah, I mean, technically this is like the safest bet right here. I can put it right here under this. Let's see. See on the 5 though, there's not really a high. So I'm just gonna play this nice and easy. And on this account, I said it was a 2,000 daily loss limit. Okay, so that could be the only like gotcha that I could foresee. But if you can get like 1 to 2, 1 to 3s, it's okay. It's gonna really benefit those who can play the slow game and not have to like cash out. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good as long as they actually pay out. Which, right now I'm just going on their word. But I mean, it's a good company overall. They paid out millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars, right? So let me see here. If I were to take this, boom. If I were to take that, so 100 is that's crazy. 1,700. I can't lose more than 1,000. Let's do 500 at a time on this. Let's see. 3. So roughly 3. It's a huge stop. I hate that, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have to order something to eat. No, my wife made me some freaking food. That's right. I'm gonna cook this up. Let's go, wifey. Let's go, wifey. Wifey for the win. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. I'm gonna nuke this thing. 1 second, I'll be right back. Thank you. Right. I'm not gonna full port. I mean, I guess you could full port a 2,000. You don't lose your account. Let's see, right? They don't like. Is that a hard? I don't think that's hard, is it? Daily loss 2,000 is probably soft. I hope that's the only question I would have, I guess. Looks good to me. Is that green candle an order block or stop in momentum that you do not count as an order block? Let's see. Is that green candle right here? Talking about this green candle? Nice, Patrick. Here's why I didn't take this sell yet, is I see this liquidity build up here. I would like to see that taken out first, and then we maybe have something up here, a better entry. But if it doesn't, then I'll just come down here. What did you guys do this weekend? Anything good? By the way, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna look at my Forex stuff real quick. I'm already up like 3% for the month, and it just started. Like, that's pretty good. Last month I hit 38 point something percent on my Forex account, which is crazy. And I'm just gonna check it really fast. Let's see here. And if you have a problem with that, I don't care. How about that? Let's see here. Oh, well, shoot. I'm just going to sell that real quick. That was easy. I have to think about that one. Hold on, let me just get in that trade real quick. Boom. Sell. There we go. Do not have to look at it. We're good. That was fun. That was a good day of trading right there. All right, let's look on here. See if we got anything. Maybe we have an SMT. Nope, no SMT. It was close. Actually, there's a little baby one. Look at that. Right there. And then we had this one went down, I think. Yep, there was an SMT right there. That's a good sign. Let's see if she could keep pulling down, though. Thank you, honey. I'm just eating right now, guys. No, I'll just put it. So this is creating a high here. I'll be a little bit less stop. I hate using that big of a stop, but you know. I'll take 2 stabs at it. What if, if I'm right, it's all good. Just to this block is 2,200. It's not bad. Nice, man. Yeah, as far as that, David, I'm gonna be honest with you. On my funded, I rarely go over 20 to 30 micros, anyways. Yep. So it's built for people that like to if you could take those big ones that I take in an Asian session, gosh, I'll use like sometimes 5 micros, on 150K and let that sucker roll. I just wanted to see like if you would have taken a Pulse X trade today. Anybody take this Pulse X? Dude, that's dude, that's what I'm talking about. My gosh. So imagine without end of day trailing, I want you guys to understand this for a second. Without intraday, and it's end of day now. Let's see if that would have panned out. Oh, yeah, would have. By a freaking hair. Look at that. Open up. Look at that. Now imagine you played it from block to block. 1 to 51. What's 5 micros times 10? Let me show you. So, the $100 risk. $100 risk, 5 micros. See what I'm saying? $100 would have made you 5,100. If you got all of it, you know. That's what we do. Now it's been a while since I had a 1 to 50. But I'm just saying. I probably would have woke up and grabbed what was here? I would have grabbed something right in here for sure. Because we were up at this high. 1 to 30-ish. We hit those. I'm sure Mark Monfrey got that earlier today. Can almost guarantee it. Was there a VWAP down there? Yep. Look, hit yellow. 1 hour block. Boom. That's your classic. Dude, there's my son. What's up, buddy? How's Ohio? My son Aiden, he's up in Ohio right now. Visiting my daughter. The good old OH. I'll tell them I said hi. You see we got those new students. You say hi to them yet? I'm ready to tear it up this month, man. March is going to be an amazing month. All right, can we get below here? Let's take this out. At least come down to here. That'd be sick, right? I think so. I finished it within the 4 days. What's the next step? Bob, I'm hopping off the call already. Man, I gotta get glasses. I gotta get like them readers now. It's making my fingers itchy. The new school content was amazing, by the way. Mindset over everything helped me a ton in the last 24 hours. Beautiful, Nick. Thanks for saying that, bro. He's talking about the prop trader belief system, by the way, guys. If you haven't bought that yet, $7 right now. $7, and you get all of this. And it's going to go over all of your main issues. The art of passing profit and challenge, the perfect trading strategy, over trading kills accounts, the faster you lose, cut your losses faster. How to believe in your system 100%. You complete all 5 of these videos and do the assignments, which is just commenting in the community, as you can see right here. Everybody just going crazy with it. I launched it last week. Do all that. I unlocked this $500 program, Profit and Protocol, which I'm going to unlock it for Nick right now. Let me just do that real quick. Nick. Oh, I don't even see you, bro. I don't even know who you are, to be fair. It says Nick. It says Nick. But yeah, I'll put that link if you guys want that for $7. I'll put that link right here. PropTraderBeliefSystem.com. There you go. Okay, DM me. Yeah. How does it arrive? You just get an invite to school. I'm getting down there. Yeah, we send it. I get Smitty, so I send a pigeon out with the access code to Smitty's house, and Smitty jumps up on that horse, and he comes and unlocks that sucker. He has to go through like Virginia, then Myrtle Beach, and all that area. I don't know why Myrtle Beach. I don't know. It just threw up in my head. Go through the Ohio Valley up to Michigan, and then he goes to the server and he can unlock it. Sorry, Paul. That's not. I'm just kidding around, man. Obviously, he said Pony Express. Just looked it up. I am Solomon Trading VIP. Anything else needed? Just looked it up. I am on Solomon Trading VIP. What do you need, Ben? That's a different program. So like Prop Trader Belief System, different program. Just go to proptraderbeliefsystem.com. Let me pin this post actually. Pin message. I have 4 Apex accounts with 4 PA accounts with Apex. I may need to get the VIP now. That'd be great to have you, man. We just filled capacity this week. Unless you were already in talks with me about joining the one-on-one, I'm serious. Like we're literally at capacity. We can't even take any more money. I can't even bring anybody in until probably next week. Unless you were already like talking to me, guys, like, and you were interested, like now's the time. But like, if you're new, I had to put you on the waiting list just so we can make sure we get to everybody. I was wondering what was going on with you. You got kind of quiet there, buddy. How you feeling, bro? Going kind of heavy on this because look, if it can get below here, I think it can just dump. Look at this. What's up, Paul Shank? How you doing, bud? Make sure. Let me see if you're in here, Paul. Paul. No, it's a different Paul. Where did you send $7, man? Man, yeah. Oh, jeez, that sucks. Is it like a stomach thing or? Oh, we stayed out of that one. What's up, Big Prime? How you doing, buddy? The link on, I think from my email in the rush. I can wait until after we're done here. I mean, I'll just hit you up, dude. But yeah, you should have got an invite from Solomon. Unless, all right, look, unless you're like on Yahoo or Hotmail, sometimes those go to like spam folder. Like I've always had problems with those companies, like Yahoo and like delivering as a marketer, like sending to Yahoo and Hotmail is like almost impossible. Like when I was in my marketing companies. Hmm. But I'm gonna hit you up right now. While I'm waiting. What's up, Metro? How you doing, man? I'm doing fantastic. Appreciate that. Man, there's this guy, Maxwell Ordonez. If you're on here, you're a freaking loser, dude. This guy joined my lifetime like 4 months ago. Has been using everything, all that stuff. Get a fraudulent chargeback today. It's always nice when people steal from you. It's awesome. Big shout out to the scammers. I'm going to keep my stop the same, kind of protect it a little bit. Because we are building up this like liquidity looking thing right now. So it could come up and take us out. So just be careful. Oh, that's the only that that's the hard part about this side. Like you can coach them, work one on one with them, and all this, and then call their bank, and then fraudulently charge back, and now I have to go after the guy. So 5 minute was right here. Yeah, we have this one, but it was like super little, like weak. So I was like, I'm going to use a double. Subjective. We're going. All right, with that big of a push, if we could hold on. No, I'll keep it. I'll keep it the same. Gonna keep it the same. 10 seconds. Don't pull up. 3, 2. All right. In trade number one on the beautiful Apex. I can't believe I could say that. Beautiful Apex. End of day. That is amazing. Oh, Well, you know what? In trading, like it's such an emotional thing. It'll bring the best scammers out of each other. Like people like, oh, I suck at this. I need money. Oh, let me just like charge back on people and make them lose money. Not because here's the thing. I also paid out coaches on that, like all this stuff. So now I'm out. I'm out probably 2,000 or like 1,800, and people think they could just get away with that. So it's what it is. I don't know, guys. And put a limited order in. Forget, did they let you change modify here? Yeah. No, they don't. 20 stop. Hold the line. I can't believe I can say beautiful apex again. That's crazy. We'll see if they hold to their word. I mean, I guess they could be lying, but I mean, they have a good reputation overall. Well, melt. I'm not even paying attention. I'm talking to this mechanic guy. Sorry. Let's see. Heck yeah. I mean, we'll find out real quick, I guess, right? Let's pass this real quick and then start getting payouts on it. Oh, these mechanics are ridiculous. I don't know if you guys. Oh, I probably didn't even tell you guys. I don't know if I told you, but like, I was driving down the road after after picking up my car for the dealership, and then the back left axle bolts like fell out. So I was blocking intersection for 2 hours. It's crazy. By the way, the cops just rolled by and waving at me. Yeah, I'm trying, man. Trying. It should dump. Like, there's no reason for it to go up. I mean, we're bouncing off this 1 hour block. This is like picture perfect A plus setup in my book. By the way, I'm gonna go create a account on Jericho. This is my AI. Gives you what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, that kind of stuff. Anyways, AI journaling. This is March 2nd. Yeah, it hit. Did it break structure? Did you close the break? Was the liquidity above or below your TP? Yes. Symbol. I just added these symbols. By the way, you can see market pulse right here. Beautiful. 5 minute breakout. Wrist 1100. Don't know my amount made yet. Put my entry price is 24,985. 24,985. I made it so your stuff doesn't disappear if you move off the screen now. I'll finish this stuff after once I see it. But yeah, Jericho. I'm just keeping myself busy right now. Hopefully this keeps falling. I'm putting an alert here. Let's see. Good job. 3 hours ago, Tyler Stintman Did this trade in our community. It's beautiful. Calendar. So if I look here, I could do anything with voice notes. I could say filter by symbol now. I just added that in place. I'm adding some other stuff as well. And you could search notes, transcriptions, setups, tags. And then you can search, like, let's see, let's look at this last one I passed right here. I could see all the trades I took, and then I can analyze it, what was working to pass that account. It'll tell me what's working, what's not working, key recommendations, performance summary, right? And I didn't add the last 4,000. What setup worked the best, and what should I focus on a new 150K Apex? Just for fun. Just while we're waiting. Based on your current search results and recent psychology patterns, let's break. Oh, come on, stop it. Stop giving me so much good information. Oh my gosh. Let's break down exactly where your edge is and how to handle the 150K Apex. What worked best? Your 3-minute FEG and Pulse X setups are your powerhouses right now. 100% win rate, 2 for 2 for a total of 2,500 profit. These entries were clean and executed high discipline. Well, you had a 1,400 loss technical contract issue. The winner was his largest single gain, 1,612. Grade A plus factor when you labeled the trade A plus. Followed your plan. Let's see. And it tells me all that. Pretty cool. So, and then here's Market Pulse. So I can click this and it'll tell me what AI thinks about the next 15 minutes for neutral consolidation, overall bullish. This will probably change. I'm going to fix this up a little bit, but pretty cool. And then I have back testing coming hopefully this week. I'm waiting on TradingView to finalize, allow me to use their charts, and then we're gonna have full on back testing back here, and that's gonna be hooked to the leaderboards, so you can opt to be on the leaderboard, and it'll show you how many who's back testing the most. I don't know, just some extra stuff for fun. Anything to like kind of like gamify you to keep doing what you should be doing disciplinary wise and getting better. All right, let's melt. Come on. What you waiting on? Yeah, there's a lot of little fair value gaps down there. I'm gonna grab a drink. Man, I leave for like 2 minutes. Freaking decides to play games, more games. Come on. All right, guys, I'm going to set up the members only. I'm going to go more into like the scalping with the live trading today on members only, and we'll do our private Zoom right now. Let me set it up. Schedule trading with Bob Beckett. You guys hit that pinned comment. And by the way, I'm going live if you guys wanted to join for 7 days for free. It's solomontrading.com. You could join right now for free for 7 days. See if you like it. But we go for another 2 hours plus and kind of get more. You know, it's on a Zoom call, so it's more like, you know, I can answer questions and go crazy with it. But solomontrading.com, and then we'll trade for another 2 hours. We love our 350 end of day stuff. Trading. Members only, members only, members only. Wired on schedule. All right, I'm going to put the link right now in school. You'll get access to my school community, indicators, 36 plus live trading sessions per month. If you see this right here, look at all this calendar. There are live trading sessions. There's some one-on-ones in there. You get this trainings, community like this. I'm going to put this right here. Members only live trading right now. Boom. Yes. My gosh. Go, and then I'm going to announce it too. So just if you're brand new, go here. Welcome to Solomon Trading VIP. Follow these steps. Get on my trade idea list. All that kind of stuff. Don't worry. Like right here, it's gonna give this thing now. They do that for all Telegram links, but it's not a scam. It's not a scam. And then you come down here, members only live trading. You just join, okay? And then I'm gonna put this in the Telegram real quick, and then we'll just head over there, call it a day. Let's see, members only live trading. Boom. Send. Okay, guys, last chance. Go to solomontrading.com, join for free for 7 days, and come hang out, pass profit and challenges, get funded, get payouts. Let's do it. All right, guys, God bless. Have an amazing rest of the day. Thanks for hanging out with me for the last hour. And all members, I'm going to head over there right now. God bless. Take care. Beckett out.